10 things you must know to properly set up and manage your business bank account and get an excellent bank rating credit score. It is essential that a business owner separate their personal and business banking. This is critical in running a successful business. One of the major financial tools used to accomplish this is a business bank account. A business bank account helps maintain accurate records, prepare reports, make deposits, withdrawals, wire transfers, issue checks, and much more. Business bank accounts offer many benefits, including that you lessen your tax headaches and liabilities by keeping your business revenue and expenses separate from your personal. And you can easily delegate responsibilities, such as making deposits, because it's easy to add on other people to the account. Plus, you can accept debit and credit cards, as with a business account, you'll have a place for the merchant processor to deposit funds, making it easy for you to accept more types of payments and get more sales. Business accounts also have more lenient fees, such as fees being waived when you use online banking. Your business banking relationship can also help you secure bank loans. Setting up a business bank account is one of the first things any business should do. Here's the actual order of setting up a new business. Set up your entity, such as your LLC or corporation. Get your free EIN number from the IRS. Use your corporation papers and EIN to set up your business bank account. It's essential you set up your business bank account quickly because many lenders and credit issuers see your bank account setup date as the date your company really opened, its start date. They used to look at your entity inception date, but due to so many fake company setups, such as shelf corporations, now your bank account is what's used for your business inception date in many cases. It's easy to set up a business bank account, even if you've defaulted on personal bank accounts before and are in check systems. If you owe debt to the IRS or other entities, they cannot take funds from your business bank account. You will be asked for several items when setting up your new account. Your entity papers, such as your articles of incorporation, completion of their application, proof of your EIN number, your ID, initial deposit of $25 to $200 depending on the bank and account type. You must set up your bank account the right way to ensure it's easy for you to get credit and loans in the future. Your company name needs to match your entity paperwork. Your company address also needs to be the same. Make sure your EIN number is also the same on your bank account as it is on your EIN paperwork. It'll take about 30 minutes to set up your business bank account. Most banks will require you go into the bank to get your new account set up. When you leave, they'll give you a folder with documents that outline the terms on your bank account and info to set up online banking. You'll also leave with temporary checks for the account. Every bank has a service they'll recommend to get checks. On your first order, they might try to charge you $150 plus. But be careful, as you won't need all that they package in with your checks. Usually, on your first order, they'll give you a starter kit with a binder, deposit bag, company stamp and seal for endorsements and other perks. You do not need all of this, and you can order most of it online, much cheaper anyways. Also, watch out for the amount of checks they're giving you, and start with as few as you can. You might not want or need 250 or more to start. Here's a pretty cool article about getting a free business checking account. Whether a business owner decides to open an account at a national, regional, or local bank, credit union, or community bank, they should select a bank that can best cater to the needs of their business. While every bank offers various types of financial business products, each serving a specific need, one thing remains the same throughout: bank credit. Bank credit is the total amount of borrowing capacity a business can obtain from the banking system. This is not the same as business credit, which is a much broader category of lenders such as suppliers, credit card issuers, or leasing companies. A business can secure more business credit quickly as long as it has a minimum of one bank reference and an average daily account balance of at least $10,000 for the past 3 months. This yields a bank rating of low 5, meaning an average daily balance of $5,000 to $30,000. A lower rating, say a high 4, or balance of $7,000 to $9,999, won't put a stop to the business's application, but it will slow down the approval process. This rating is the average minimum balance maintained in the business bank account over a 3-month period. A $10,000 balance will rate as a low 5. $5,000 rates as a mid 4. $999 rates as a high 3, and so on. The main goal should be to maintain a minimum low 5 bank rating, $10,000, for at least 3 months. Unfortunately, without at least a low 5 rating, most banks will assume the business has little ability to repay a loan or a line of credit. Here's a deeper look at how the bank rating breaks down. High 5. Account balance of $70,000 to $99,999. Mid 5. Account balance of $40,000 to $69,999. Low 5. Balance of $10,000 to $39,000. High 4. $7,000 to $9,999. Mid 4. $4,000 to $6,999. Low 4. $1,000 to $3,999. Business owners should do whatever they can to keep at least $10,000 in their account over a 90-day period. The money should be kept there just to ensure the bank rating is high enough to increase future financial approvals. Each cycle is based on the balance rating during the previous 3-month period. So before a business decides to apply for credit, it should keep a balance rating of low 5 for the past 3 months. It is also essential that a business manages its bank account responsibly. This means the business should avoid writing non-sufficient funds or NSF checks at all costs, as it destroys bank ratings. Non-sufficient fund checks are something no business can let happen. It's even a good idea for the business to add overdraft protection to their bank account as soon as possible to avoid NSFs. It is also very important that a business show a positive cash flow. The cash coming in and going out of a company's bank account should reflect a positive free cash flow. Positive free cash flow is the amount of revenue left over after the company has paid all its expenses. When the account shows a positive cash flow, it indicates that the business is generating more revenue than it used to run the company. It's important to also recognize that banks are motivated to lend to a business that has consistent deposits. A business owner must also make regular deposits to maintain a positive bank rating. It is vital that a business owner make a lot of consistent deposits, more than the withdrawals they are making, to have a good bank rating. Bank credit is not only based on monthly deposits, balance rating, and check history, but also includes the age of the account, the bank products the business uses, and any savings account or investments the business has. A seasoned bank account shows stability and longevity in the eyes of lenders. Keeping a healthy and long-standing relationship with a bank is also crucial for all companies. A good, stable relationship with a bank that reflects longevity will be highly appreciated by lenders considering lending that business money. Your bank rating will be higher the more bank programs you use, maintain, and pay as agreed. Having investment and savings accounts help your bank ratings. Having open loans, even open CDs, help your bank rating. Bank ratings are higher the more banking investment and savings accounts you have. Having higher balances in those accounts further helps bank ratings. Making regular deposits into these accounts also helps your bank rating. Beyond just the bank rating, a business's bank should also act as a trusted advisor that can assist in growing the business. It helps a business to consider working with a financial institution that specializes in providing banking services tailored to their specific industry. The more services the bank offers that the business can take advantage of, the higher the bank rating will be. Take advantage of and use other services your bank offers, such as CDs, savings accounts, and other investment accounts. Open your bank account when your corporation starts and leave it open, as this longevity will help your bank rating. Make consistent deposits on a regular basis. And ensure each month you have a good cash flow through your account by regularly putting into the account more money than you take out. Taking these steps will ensure you have an exceptional bank rating. An exceptional bank rating means your business will have a great chance of being approved for bank financing, including loans, credit lines, and credit cards. Contact us today to learn more about properly setting up and managing your business bank account and getting an excellent bank rating credit score.